Hi everyone, Jan here, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing a swipe today. I did a test swipe the other day and the outcome is pretty cool, I think. It's very inspired by Cathleen from COZ Creations. I used a few other colors in the previous swipe, but now I'm gonna go closer to what I saw Cathleen do, because I used the Payne's gray in the middle. I really want to use a black, I decided. And also the base coat is going to be a mix of, well, let me go through the colors. So my base coat is here, big jar. Thin consistency, so for swipe. That is a mix of DecoArt metallics. Sorry about the, yeah, the label, you can't see it, it is silver. Is this, no, there, silver. And this one is silver, sterling silver. So it's a mix of the 50-50 of these two. And all my paints and the base coat is mixed with 50% Floetrol and 50% Liquitex pouring medium and a big squirt of GAG 800, just like Cathleen does it. However, my Floetrol is not the US Floetrol, so I've had to make a mix that resembles the US Floetrol. The European brands are much thicker, so I had to, yeah, dilute it with water. But I've gotten to more or less the same consistency as the American Floetrol, so hopefully that works. My colors that I'm using are the Amsterdam black, Oxide Black, and then it is the golden silver fine, iridescent silver fine, and the golden burnt sienna. In the last one I used copper. It's not that I didn't like it, I don't know, I decided to try with the burnt sienna. Next one is the golden quinacridone burnt orange. I really probably should have taken the quinacridone nickel azo gold, but I only have that in the thick consistency, so I decided to go with only the fluids. So that's why I'm using this one, because I don't have the quinacridone nickel azo gold in the fluid. So next one is the gold fine iridescent from Golden, and the last one is also from Golden, iridescent pearl fine. And I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna use it, but I have mixed a cell activator that is with Amsterdam Oxide Black and Australian Floetrol 1-4. So 1 part paint, Amsterdam Oxide Black, and 4 parts Australian Floetrol. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I think that I'm gonna do a test swipe, the first swipe that I do without the cell activator, and see how that reacts. I expect that this will be posted before the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. I will be there. I will be helping Cathleen out in her classes, so can't wait. This was not in the plans, but luckily I decided that that I was going to do it anyway. So I will be coming. I can't wait to see you all, and let's get painting. So this happened. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it actually looks pretty good on the camera, but it's not good. This part I do like, but look at it. It's like the silver broke up. I think I added too much water. I tried to get it as thin as yours, Cathleen, but I think I just simply added too much water. So the problem is that our Floetrol here is not as thin as yours. So in order to get things as thin as you do, I have to add more water, and I think I just need to work with the fact that it just can't be that thin, because it's clear that, look, this is the silver. It's broken up, so that sucks. I mean, I think this may look good on camera, so you might not see it, but I think it looks horrible in real life. What do you think?